Adding another one here for the getting out of the shower. She said she enters the shower down here, so we'll have to put a third one in. In my opinion, you can't have too many. Slip on you.
Yeah.
These tiles are slickery. Hard to work on. She's getting all her holes drilled before she switches back over to the screw part. So we are putting in some grab bars, making this shower a little more user-friendly. It is something that Ladies Under Pressure can do for you. Highly recommend it for anybody in the shower. Doesn't have to be any particular age, but everybody needs a grab bar for safety. So we're going to put one here in case she needs it. This is a big long one.
24 inches.
Let me hold it.
I'm just trying to see which ones are which. It's going to be those three right there.
Oh, you had to remark. I have anchors in that case.